Oh, what's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we are gonna install something that will be useful during the quarantine times where you can't get that toilet paper anywhere in the stores right now. And I actually have that problem right now because I ran out, as you could see there. That's all I got. So here we go. Now these are the ones that are included in the box. The tools we need is these two things. First thing we need to do is to install that in the back of our toilet. Here we go. Now the first thing is to open these things up. Just take these off using our screwdriver. Now with this, completely take off the seat of your toilet and also the cover. If there's pee stains here, we should clean that off before you install the bidet. Next thing we need to do is to take this off, open it up, take these little bars off. Those are what we need. We're gonna put that over here, install it, and then we're gonna place our bidet. This is what the bidet looks like when it shoots water. The water pretty much just pulls it down, just like that. There you go, it just sits like that. This is where you're gonna put the screws back for the lid. It'll sit like that. And now we're ready to install our cover. This is what it would look like. Now you can install back the bottom part. Once you're all done, close it back down. Now the next step is to take that off. So make sure you turn off your water supply first before you do this. There you go. It's all closed up. Next step is to empty the tank. Turn off the hot water as well. There you go. We need to take this part off. If you can use your hand, use your hand. Once it's taken off, make sure to install one of these. Don't forget to put the rubber gasket inside. Tighten it up with our tool. Now that you installed the tube, make sure to install back the original tube on the bottom of it. There you go. Once the supply is already installed like the original, now we're gonna install the next tube that goes to the bidet. Now make sure to install some Teflon tape to this part of the tube. Once you've installed the Teflon tape, now you can install the tube. Pro tip, don't over tighten everything. Only use a quarter turn when you are testing out the leaks. Over tightening will cause leakage. Now the other part of the tube will go then to the bidet. When looking at the bidet part, this is the cold and this is the hot. It doesn't say on there, but that's what it says on the instructions. Now test out if there's leaks before you install the hot part. Do it one at a time, making sure that everything is good on this part of the connection first before you move on to the next one. Next up is the hot water. Make sure to take this off right here. Once it's taken off, make sure to install. Next step is to install the T. Put on the Teflon already. Make it easy for you. Don't forget to put the gasket inside before installing. Next up is to install the original tube coming from the faucet. And the next part here is to install the tube going to the bidet. It should look like that when it's finished, and then you can turn on the water supply on the hot side and test out if it's leaking or not. Next part is to install the tube going to the bidet. Once it's all done, test out the bidet. This is the bidet wash. Bidet wash is done. Yeah. Okay, let's test this out. Go all the way. Oh yeah, right to me. Oh, that's great. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty strong. Yes. Let's see if the feminine wash starts working. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do so that it doesn't flash on my face again. It also has the temperature control and the nozzle cleaning. Let's try the nozzle cleaning. See that? It's pretty cool. And that's it. That's how you install a bidet so that you can save some money on toilet paper. And now that you can't get toilet paper anyway, this is a perfect device for you. I'll link this down in the description below so you can get yourself one. And I'll do a next review and see if it works or not perfectly to your needs. And thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for checking out the bidet that I installed today. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit that notification bell as well so keep notified of the next videos to come. Have a great day and stay safe out there. Stay home. Peace. Yeah, that works. Wet all over now. Great.